Welcome back, guys, to Mama Joan house where it's hot. I don't know what I mean when we say it hot. It's hot like a Scotch bonnet pepper. Today, guys, I'm doing a little blogging. I'm doing a little unboxing with my Mother's Day gift that I want to share with you guys. So anyway, guys, before I go any further, I want you guys to like, subscribe, and hit my post notification bell so you don't miss a post when I post. So guys, I'm gonna show you guys what Reef and Christine bought me for my Mother's Day. Big surprise, guys. What them buy me, guys? Them bought me a spa, you know. So guys, I am going to unbox this spa now, me and Papa Harry, and set it up, okay guys, and show you what it look like. I know weekend or comment are gonna be kind of hot, and me and Papa Harry are gonna have some fun, okay guys. So guys, stay tuned. So guys, I start my gardening, you know. I plant some flowers already, so I'm gonna give you guys a little look on what I did, you know. So that's what I'm gonna show now, what it looked like. So I did this nice and fresh with my fern, you know, my tomato, you know. So I'm trying to build a nice like a spa area, you know. So I'm just showing you a little bit of how the garden look for now, you know, because I do my planting kind of early, you know. So this is what around here so look like. Then I'm gonna go over the other side and let you see. So anyway, guys, Papa Harry opened the box already, and him start to take out the stuff. So this is what so this is where him spread out already. So him spread that out. Okay. I said this man him can move fast, you see, if you're a whole bitch. The man can't move fast, you see, man. I mean, I tell her, you know, by the time show a little bit of the garden, by the time he told him take out shit out of box already. But what can I say? That's him, you know. So that's that, you know. So guys, we are gonna make him go on. Me and him are gonna go and set up, and then we are gonna come back and show you guys the finishing product. Pumping up. It takes us a little time to figure it out and get it pumping up. But guys, it's pumping up. So keep the move with it down a little bit more area. So you can judge it, you have to lift it. Okay, I'm going to lift it before it moves. You can't pull it now. Lift it, judge it. I'm really look like this. You ain't going to get any heavier. Enjoy this spa. It's a little bit noisy, so I'm gonna turn it off and come back when it's done filled up, okay guys? This is it. It's a very tricky, it's easy and it's tricky. So we complete it now. So what we are gonna do now, we are gonna fill it up with water. So that's the next step. Yeah. You should put the water in. Yeah, so we're gonna put the water in and then turn it on and see how it bubbles.
Yeah, because right now I don't know the function. Because I work with function, you know. But we have to figure it out as we go along. Because that we do know how we get into this. So for me reach a side, you talk about water, you know, say it's ready. Because you can't put water in it till it's ready, you know.
So make sure the button tighten.
What button?
So that's
everything tight.
So that's when we are putting the water. It don't leak out. Because you tend to mash up before you fix. Tell you something, guys. Papa Harry's a man, you know. It's where you have to fix. Whenever fix nothing, you have to work with him twig. If you don't work with him twig, it mash up before it fix up. Okay. So anyway.
Guys, I'm a general shit that because she don't like walk. So when my mash it up, she said, Lord. And she run, come fix it. So they say, instead of you fix it,
Well, you go turn on. You go turn on the pipe.
I'm gonna see you bring pipe coming and you bring water too. You go for pipe and I bring the water with you.
It's flipping hot out here, guys. It's very, very hot. You know. So, I get some water in it now. Pull it up with the water. I think I should take the hose off.
Can't do that.
Was in there. Just leave some in there, yeah?
Shut too much man, don't get even the water can't take you. Water wet you up, I said shut up man.
You want to give me this?
No.
Why you give it to me? You don't have to give you.
I have it to our car. Too much rat can give one good soup.
Too much rat can give one good soup?
No.
Rat not need soup?
Well, cook good soup.
Rat not cook soup?
Well, she got good oil then.
But if you say too much rat can give a good oil, but too much rat can give good
So
soup.
I will hold the oil. I said everybody get wet up.
Give it.
Now for me. And nobody can tell me whoop. No, make me.
Because you wake me up.
I never wet you.
Okay.
Did I have the oil?
Yes, you did.
No, you had the oil in there.
No, you put it
I
in
saw
there.
you.
You started me?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, you're so wicked. Oh God. Guys, in the same state though, after I wet me and decide not to give me the force because I don't want me to wet it back. I mean, no, honestly, I want to wet it.
What? You remember last week?
What last week?
When you said me look fine.
Yeah, because
That was a mistake.
guys, this was in the last week. Last week we were washing off the cat, you know. And then wet me, and then him look at me to see if I see that he wet me. And then he said it was a mistake.
I didn't look at you for that reason. I was just admiring you. Oh, you look good.
You was admiring me, I look good?
Yes. And you wet me up. With that. I mean, I look at fire against fire. You smell look fire against fire. That's your man.
Because you wet me first.
And then I told you accident.
But accident, why I don't believe you?
I think I wish you know what? You up your foot up yourself. You keep coming down that right behind her. So she wet me up your foot up herself. Bro.
Why are you behind me, Ari?
Don't trust you.
You don't trust me? Okay. Well, what I am going to do, I am going to put the hose in there, turn it off, take the pipe off.
Go turn off the hose. The pressure now go easy.
And put the hose in
You have
there.
to let me turn off the pipe. Then you squeeze out the water out of the hose.
Okay.
And then you put it. Then you turn it off.
So smart it is though. Get rid of the air pressure. Don't leave over there. Okay. Turn on back the pipe now. I will just leave that, make it catch the water. So guys, I'm just gonna leave it, make it catch the water. And when it full up, I'll hit you up back, okay? Bring it up now. I think we have a little bit, I think we have a little bit too much water in there. It kind of full up. We're gonna a little bit over the maximum. This thing full up fast. Them say it's gonna take 5 hours to full up. It don't even take, it doesn't take an hour.
I just say so. The people in there say so.
Papa Arif, so why you make me ask the people them say them something take 5 hours to full up?
Yeah, but you can't tell people what your ears say. I'm not talking about the
Guys,
people.
Papa Ari tell me that it takes 5 hours for full up. He was the one that reading the manual. The manual or the manual?
That no say that me read.
He was reading the manual and he said that it's gonna take 5 hours. That's what he told me. So I keep saying it's gonna take 5 hours, but it didn't even take an hour to full up.
That is what I'm teaching you guys people every day. Never you listen to everything what people say. Sometimes I lie them, I tell you. Remember, I'm telling you that.
So this man just straight out telling me pay crap. Okay? And him not believe every single word in the come out time out.
That's why I can't tell you pure
So
like honey.
crap
Because I
you
know
tell
you're going to believe me. Well, I forgot something to laugh, you know. Guys, I tell you, you went back already, you know. Turn off the pipe.
If turn off the pipe, so I don't scream, you see.
What's up, man?
But if turn off,
I say I can get some eat.
If turn off the pipe, guys. So now we finish put the water in. So what he's going to do now, he's gonna try to see if he can warm it up.
Yeah.
You know, so that's what he's gonna do. So guys, I'm gonna show you how the thing full up.
Nice and pretty. Nice and pretty. Look just like a yo. Favor your honey.
So there it is, guys. Oh, the sun kind of glary, you know. So that's it. See it?
It's nice. Can hold 4 people.
Me
I swim the length every day. I can swim the length to me exercise. From deso to deso. Every day I can do that as of today. Guys, see you later. Hey, me and Mama John going skinny dipping.
Oh my God!
This. Christmas later. Remember? What you say, on?
Skinny dip where?
No, in this.
Bitch! I ain't friggin' skinny dip with you in this.
Yeah, oh, we are going Christmas.
We're going christen it by I put on a bathing suit, you put on a swim trunk, and we're going there go christen it. No friggin' skinny dip in this bitch.
Really?
Yes, bitch. We're not skinny dipping. We want skinny dip.
Yeah, really? I think that she buy it right now. I think that make you buy it.
I am not doing no dip skinny with you.
But everybody
No
listen
dip
with them
skinny.
something. I mean, you're not them doing it.
Skinny dip?
Yes.
By the time we skinny dip and lick the ground, we get concussion because we head and go lick the ground.
Why the head would be licking the ground?
Because it's ground concrete, the stone underneath it.
It's dip, none is that choke off. Dip. You go in there, you dip your head.
Anyway, guys, I think I come to the end of the video now. So guys, like, subscribe, and hit my post notification bell thing so you don't miss a post when I post. And there won't be no skinny dip in this bitch. So don't listen to Papa Harry.
My Jones just shy.
Him just go skinny dip by him dip. Him not skinny dip. Him go dip skinny by himself.
Whatever.
See you guys in the next video.
Lucky. Yeah, Mama dipping skinny.